Hello. So I'm here to give you directions to get to the property at Tremulsworth in St. Mary, Jamaica. It's actually shown here as a highlighted area in blue in this map. I've given different types of zooms into the land itself to show you an overall bird's eye view picture and a more detailed idea of how it looks on the map itself. So it's highlighted in blue. And what I need to show is, or I'd like to show is that these yellow lines here are actually the pathways that the government actually recognizes leading to the different lots, the different lots or subdivisions of the land. But this is the one in question in Tremulsworth. As you can see, this is the valuation number. So when you're making a journey, I expect that you'll be coming by car, of course, and therefore you'll be using the main road leading from the main road leading from the banana factory in St. Mary all across the bridges and so forth, and leading that main road from the banana factory to Port Maria, which is it's actually a new road that the Chinese have put up with at the request of the government. And what I've done is I've given this link here, which is actually a link to a video done by someone else, which shows the actual travel from that main road going all the way from Kingston to Port Maria, showing different locations and landmarks. Now, one landmark which is very important in this travel to Tremulsworth, the property, is the one near Whitehall Estate on that road, that main road. It's very near to the turnoff where I highlight for you to turn left and start going on to another road that is a long distance away, but nonetheless closer to the premises. So this is a link here for the YouTube video done by that person. And I have created a clip highlighting the left-hand turn to take off the main road. And this is a clip here. The clip taken from the video is between 23 minutes and 14 seconds in this original video, which is near Whitehall Estate. And that is to the actual turn-off point from the road, which occurs in the video at 25.51 minutes. So this link here is for that smaller clip from the bigger video. Now, the turn-off, I'm putting in a diagram here. It will show you the actual landmarks that you will find at the turn-off so that you know you are actually turning at the right point. It will have the new main road has a parallel of the old main road, which is abandoned right now. But you take the left-hand turn, and there's a factory on this side and a farm on this side. And this road will carry you all the way in, and it's a very long distance through densely vegetated road space. I'm not saying it's very easy, but when rain falls, the road can be slippery going uphill, and it's something that you have to expect. If you're going on the uphill side of the journey, you might have slipping of your vehicle, but it is nonetheless what it is. It's government land, government roadway, so it's not really maintained that well for travel if it's being done in the rainy season. So this factory here is like a brick building. You'll see it. On your right hand side, on your left hand side, there's a fenced off area for a farm that is just being done there. But you'll pass from the main road across the old Port Maria Road and further journey that in that direction there for a very long distance. Now, after doing that, you'll reach to a point where you'll have a fenced off farmland on this side and a more definitive landmark will be approaching a river flowing under the road, a fording just after this turnoff point here. So what I'm saying is that if you have reached to this river fording, which goes under the road, you'll have passed the actual turnoff, which is a right hand turnoff going uphill. But it's not a very long distance. You'd have to travel back from the fording towards this point if you have so past that intersection, that turnoff. So there'll be a farmland on this side which is fenced off, and over on this side you'll have another farm which is being developed with papaya and bananas, but it's something that you'll definitely be able to mark the area with nonetheless. There's going to be a house on this side going uphill. Now this is a very steep, or it's a steep uphill drive of about 701 meters, which is about 2 football fields or track fields in length. So there's a house on the right hand side, and then that will lead further up to the actual premises itself. So traveling on that road of 701 meters, it carries you to an intersection where you'll see a small square concrete building on this side, on your left, and the property actually starts going from that intersection over on this side here. If you travel all the way down on this side, you'll meet up on the 2 containers, a blue one and a white one, 20-foot containers, which are on the premises, and they are, well, in a rusted condition because they have been there for many years. So this is the small concrete building, as I was saying, on your left-hand side at the intersection of the property. This is the area which is now being developed as a farm with papaya and bananas at the intersection before going uphill. And that's looking to your right of the intersection. And this now is the fenced off farm area. And up on this road here, you'll have the guest house, and you'll have further down a little bit the fording of the river. So you can't really miss exactly where the fording is, and it will be a very definitive landmark for you to retract back. If you have passed here, you can just come back in this direction and you'll be at the intersection looking uphill to go the 701 meters to the property. So this is the white container. Can't see it as well there, but this is a blue container that is also further in. So putting it in a little more perspective, from here to here is 701 meters, and this is where you have the intersection with the river fording down on this side here and the farmland with the papayas right here. So you'll be traveling on this road going to the property highlighted in blue. So let me just show you again the links to the videos. If you have a pen, you can write it down and then go to the link on YouTube. This is a video for the fording of the river. And this is a video for the driving through St. Mary Main Road. And this is the actual smaller clip showing the actual turn off. I hope this gives some kind of assistance in getting you to it. Take a visit at the property if you have an interest, and thank you very much for your time in watching.